Hi folks, John Mark here with Catalyst Connect. I want to take a quick opportunity to walk you through our client portal to give you an idea of the resources that we bring to the table to help you plan, implement, and manage your Zoho implementation. So this client portal is organized in a few different main tabs here. We have our meetings tab. Anytime that we meet with you to do a discovery session, perhaps a training, those recorded meetings will be available over here to share with your colleagues or reference back to later. We then have our planning tab, and this planning tab will allow us to get a better idea of who you are, what your processes are, and the key pain points and objectives that we're looking to accomplish through the implementation of Zoho software. So you'll see that we'll be able to go through, identify the various Zoho apps that are going to be pertinent to your implementation. As we identify a particular application, we'll put it over here and aggregate some of the training and reference material for your team to get up to speed on that product. We'll then be able to go through and map out our customer lifecycle, identifying exactly which apps are going to support that particular department, while also doing more detailed business process specifications and diagrams to really help us get a good sense of what the process is going to look like in Zoho, and figure out the data models to support the information that you need to track. Moving ahead, once we've developed the overall plan of which apps are going to support your organization, we're going to need to identify the key objectives of what processes you want built into the system, perhaps things that you'd like automated, integrations that you'd like to do with various apps, and we'll list those over here in our objectives tab. This is essentially the backlog of how we can prioritize the ongoing enrichment of your Zoho software. So we will be able to identify those objectives, prioritize them as they get detailed and we understand the scope. We'll be able to then quote what it would take to get that particular objective done. Once those objectives are scoped out, you'll be able to then accept those quotes over here on the quoting tab. We will then be able to move them through as a work order belonging to a particular project. So this is where you'll be able to see the various projects that we have going on with your firm. You'll be able to click into that project to get a quick overview of where the project stands, what work orders and tasks we have open, if you funded the project, what the retainer balance is, any time logs associated with that, and the invoices as well. So you can gather all the details at the project level over here, viewing contract agreements, the exact resources assigned to the project, the scope of work, etc. is all detailed on this page and is updated in real time as we update those records in our system. We then have our billing tab where you'll be able to manage the overall finances for funding various initiatives within Zoho, from funding various projects to retainers, pulling statements, managing various subscription offerings that we have all in one place. So this portal will be a great resource to not only plan, but also project manage the implementation and provide us with a platform to explore ongoing ideas. We have a full library of various solutions and enhancements that may complement various processes that you may have and allow you to benefit from Zoho's software even further. We look forward to connecting with you and discovering how we can help you get the most out of your Zoho implementation. Thanks a lot. Cheers.